Esther, for the first time in the past 12 years, dukoretwo fururini nikogatha ngai nondu wa gugucokia Kenya wi mugima. Andu aingi magaraga ona no magarite makaingira airport magatonyera gate ya departure, international departure, magacokera gate ya Kago me murigo no ngai ndanareka ucoke wi Kago urokeire international arrival. We appreciate God for that. I further appreciate you nyondo wa hold ministry miaka yothe kumarenda kumenyire more than 25 years. You are the founders of this church, one of the founder member, even the founder of praise team and praise and worship team, where Pastor Sa, Elijah Mira, Teresa Wambui, Nimuru Tetewela Munene to establish this church. Odomona Pastor Reverend Lilian, you established this ministry, and I really appreciate you. Today is a great day for you. It's a great day for the nation and all friends, all your supporters and fans internationally, to see you coming back home after 12 years in abroad. I don't know what you have gained or what you have lost. All I know is that God has sustained you and the destiny has kept you. I would love to appreciate the time you served in priesthood church for more than 3 years, and even when you left, you didn't divert the ministry or go to other ways and leave the ministry. I know you are a tough lady, and I know those who meet you in the through the mushitagado mitandao ya kijamii online platforms jigua kama kuitaka Tata Essy na makio Tata timudo wagadhaka dhakwa nake she I know you are a tough lady. Since then hujaanza leo, there was a time you used to fight for me personally. Mudo ajogo dhaga okaga kwira nito dikota koruma okanumira wega. So I thank you for that talent. Todwana numanera rivarori muno, and you have defended me. So I'm not ashamed of saying you are a tough lady, and Kenya and the world is looking for people like you. This world is not for crying babies. Nobody will tell you, come baby come. You are wakati umepita. This time is tough time, and only the tough people will survive. So being strong is good, and saying what is in your heart is always good. And it's also always good to be focused and based on what you believe in. I told you yesterday, if you want to be a rally driver, you must be focused. Look at the map, because sometimes your rally does not go, or the safari that don't always participate, or it's never played in your nation. Mostly it's done in a foreign nation. So for you to follow the terrain, you must read the map and keep your eyes on the map. Don't be diverted by anything or anybody. Rora mafu, navigate through the map todo furoriosho tuanyu. So even being in America, on our way Kenya, watu tigire miaka 12 do tutigire turia do aoru tareu riu turia doru furorio wina doru aigi. So be hard na ona Jesu Kristo we mwene agetua goka umuthi age need some guidance and some counseling. Todo adware atigire tio meku thaici ni ando tough ginya hega iwe mwene ni ando arito ginya mekere-ine ya maundu hende wenge Jesu anyitirwo agitoro Kalifari akiambwo thaici akiamba kuborwo thaici akiamba kuhithwo marima mahure thimu mauga mundu othe etiketie Kristo atume ngiri tureki Kristo mabe mathukume riu thaici angioka ngiamba nyitwo ni thigari ta icio cia kurehe ekirwo bangi muhuko na igirirwo mucinga na ngatheti ciandikwo ni muici urethagwo wanted criminal. Iyo niyo Kenya iria turi na to Kenya, iyo niyo thĩ iria turi. So it is calling for tough people and focused people like rally drivers. Even God himself ni alitohagirwa ni andu. Si una that Reverend Lilian, the guy danacina akagwatia itora igima agacina ithe ndanauria mbura kanina andu sometimes ngaiona kene kinyagwo ne andu haria menja akinyetwo ni landlord ni menja ni muini wa gukuga landlord umenifika ko athiete na muhiki agakora ena muhiki na landlord na hingire riu akamura riu haria wanginya na wanifika ko riu he hindi mundu iguaga watu amemfika ko situation imemfika wapi ko na ifika hapo you must be tough. So I want to read this scripture, then I bless you. And I don't want to keep you standing for long. My brother Karango, Reverend Muriithi Galatians chapter 6 verse number 3. Tomberona Gikuyu.
Nigukorwo mundu o wothe agitwa ni mundu ma.
Nigukorwo mundu o wothe agitwa ni mundu ma.
Riria ari mundu hatari.
Tathioroka hora Reverend. Dikana kamurigo no raigwa my friend. Riria mundu agitwa ati ni mundu ma. O riria
ari mundu hatari.
O riria mundu hatari ni mundu useless. No narenda gwitua mundu kuri. O riria we nio ina ku thiini ni mundu hatari. Yorajigwa mase adikei. Riria mundu agitua. You pretend to be important whereas you know inside you are just petty. You are just cheap. When we, by the way, gutire mundu ungihenia niwe yui uri ungika na uri utangika niwe your ability niwe your potentiality niwe your weaknesses no kuredo meda gwitua na nio matugiaga rira mundu enda gwitua mundu kuri o riria we mundu hatari
ni kwihenia ehenagia
ni kwihenia orehenia. Never live a lie. Be yourself. Never pretend. Never live somebody else's life. Mwalimu Elijah, live your life. Be you. Now, don't please anybody. You never please anyone on this world. Do everything in the right way, the right manner, the right time. That is what you call success. Ademwira wekato muriaini. Rwiboro thede rutinagio ciande. Na rwa ciande rutinagio thede. Ukaroraga ni ruri kururainwo. Wakora ne ciande ndukainie ki. Wakora ne rwa thedex ndukainie ciande. Andu nimekuna we mukigu tondu rwiboro marwa thede na we ne ciande urainia. So it's always good kuroraga ni ha uri nigetha utuike mundu kuri nigetha utuike mundu important. Live na time, torana na time, torana na ihinda reko ne ihinda ria bara rwa ndugathi kurehe thayo time ya bara. Like now Ukraine na Russia ni kurwa mararwa. This time for war, and when time comes for peace, be peaceful. Don't bring war at a time of peace. Ona Daudi ni atigire auga mundu gwitwa Joabu oragwo na atigire era morio Joabu murore muno ndukanareke ikuruke kwa ngoma na thayo ni undu ni aitire thakame hindi ya thayo. During peaceful time, don't bring war. Okay? So know the timing. So if don't bring me tomorrow because I answered you. It was time for war. Ona mutumia kwa tukihura na nyumba thuthukie indo tha citorage TV torage thitofu na tha rucini gotare bara tutingicokera ndeto iria tukurana. It was time for war. Indo iria thukire hingo ya bara riu ni twethe sponsor tondu indo iria thukire hindi ya bara tondu hindi ya bara kuhuthikaga any weapon joki witu kana ni gukunya mundu aroga na kio inakio kana ni gukunya kana ni kiande kana ni kubu hindi ya bara ni aba no go kahindi ya thayo ni ya thayo. Like today is a day of peace. Kogu mundu o wothe ogetua mundu kuri akimenyaga piu kana kwa muraya ati mundu cio ni tuhuri ni kwihenia ehenagia ni mundu ora live a lie. You are not living your life. From today, you go going to the Esther. Go and live your life. Take up a prison one. Go and be yourself, and you live long. Utirikedo kiri tutagwetu ore otari. Muno ni anogaga muno. Ogetua tani ore tu awe igere kamuthiere kana tugerege arenge bitwa ya matarara thime na sitting allowance. Othi we igithio guo. Ona ndukine ndeka thate guthira onogete. Andu maricoka marigo aho cukireri. Toto tiguo hana. Tata wetu we uikare o. Ndukine ndeka thate. Onogire andu maricoka mauga gai kahatauma. Etodo you are just pretending. Etiguo. So if don't know how to put it, but I want to tell you, be important and make sure yourself important and make yourself real and don't live a lie. Negeda tukehenie mudo etwo mufia. Kila tumone tumakinyitwa depression neguikara maisha mene. Wanyona na ngari eno ni urenda kuroka kugura. You cannot afford that. Ugo kuigirira thire ugakuraga rucio. Etiguo wona deko ugeko. Hali mutumia omwe wa makomete marere na mari Biblia uga mari maraya. Omwakio hada Biblia uga omwakio hada na kiyo kioha. Ugo hari omorata imori ore ogeka ageka. Ohada akoha. Muthenya ore ohokire na kio akiohoka. Ugo woha akoha. Wohora akohora. Yani aretu atawe. Othenya omwe tondu wetirire na ndau mono horo wa guciara ni gukofie gukofagia ri agikomera gake akiuraga karia gatigarire muoyo matwaranye kwa muthamaki wetagwo Sulaimani mutumia uria moru muhenania uyu utaikaraga maica makawa gukofia augire kana gaturwo mundu aneo kienyu, but the real mother said mwana ucio ni athie ndimuonage. So go and be real. Tika kumakira ndo gukofia, tika kumakira ndo gwitua tawe. Twathie kuria kwa mundu gwitwo Farao. Musa akinya arekirie nyoka, arekirie mutu ugituika nyoka ati atisha Farao. Farao agitheka akiruta macicio, akamura mwanake niyo ndisha na nyoka, akaringa thimu gwe secretary wake kemurata jetera gwakwa magioka eri mutagwo jane cio ke Jabres kemena mwanake ena mukwanjo arekia niguo watuika nyamu ino ati andise akemura wetu tiga wone guko ni Misiri na expertise ya Egypt ni urogi makira keme kwanjo eri thi yare gituika nyoka Farao kemura utadu ndio yatuika nyoka na ito ne nyoka wateo yaku no maikarete oguo ri nyoka ya Musa ekiriukira tutu tweri kimeria egikorwo enene akimioya emukwanjo munene nene gukira ria uma mundu othe konde gukofia kana konde gukunina. God will help you to swallow. You will swallow that person. You will swallow the idea. You will swallow anything, even the programming here. And I will swallow you. I'll finish you. I'll copy you. I'll make you be irrelevant. God will help you swallow. In Jesus' name. Muthoni ageria wira wake tukonderera kurekia.
Nikaba o mundu aroragie wira wake mwene.
Nikaba mundu aroragie wira wake mwene. Kuroria ni kuga ugathukagia wira, ugethima. Ukaroraga wira waku we mwene. Ugethima ngikinya ha, nginyetie ha, ndugatete nginya ha, savita humanity nginya ha. Ndugatete andu ndaithĩtie andu aigana ni andu aigana marĩte ni undu wakwa ni andu aigana mahonete ni undu wakwa ni andu aigana mathomete ni undu wakwa ni andu aigana ndanarĩhĩra fare ni andu aigana ndanateithia na rent. Thima wĩra waku, thima wĩra waku ukaririkanwo na wĩra. So just wĩkĩte atia, ũngĩka atia, ũrorete gwĩka atia. Mundu othe nĩaroragia wĩra wake
na hĩndĩ ĩyo ri undu wake wa kwĩrahĩra ni ugakorwo wi wake we mwene. Undu wake wa kwĩrahĩra ni ugakorwo wi wake we mwene na ti wa mundu ungi. Thank you. You will take your pride, mwĩtĩo waku ukaumana na wĩra ũrĩa wanaruta. Koguo niĩ no ndĩtĩe mĩaka ĩrĩa ndungatĩte andũ arĩa mahonokete through my ministry, andũ arĩa mahutĩkĩte ahunjia through me, andũ arĩa mateithĩkĩte through me, aini mainĩte through my sermons. I have something to be proud for. Na aria director spiritual director Reverend Julian na aria ange mehaha na mufea kwa joyo turete kumukunura very soon. Turona heke dwa higire iria turute guneko kiume kenyuo. You see ugo mundu ni eteire wira wake no ngiciria ni andu urateithia ri winone ureke gwika uria Ngai akuhotithĩtie ri kana wetigira waga kumira takarago rute wira ri wecokie we mwene wihithe na taranda ciaku ri ni ukaingata thamaki-inĩ wa Ngai na ni ukaga gya gwitia na kiokezia okoro-ini. Have something to be proud of. Joki ukirikanira twa dance agatha ici tutingihota no twitire uguo twekaga. So even today I commission you, Esther, witire miaka 34 na witire miaka ĩrĩa tungatĩte as a worshipper, because you are a good worshipper. Na witire miaka 12 koretwo bũrũri wa no ka maintain gospel, no ka maintain kwaga kuhakwo gĩko, no ka maintain ku fight back, no ka maintain standards, and you are here now praising God. Niko tumocoke muciĩ witire ũndũ ũcio. Aini aitũ mwĩtĩrei o mũndũ wĩra ũrĩa arutaga. Kamũrigo witire injiri ĩrĩa ũhunjĩtie. Hĩndĩ ĩyo rĩ ni ũgatuĩka gwĩtĩa kũu nĩ gwaku mwene na nĩ kwagĩrĩire gwĩtĩrwo ũkĩra gwĩtuaga ta harĩ mũndũ na hatirĩ. Mũhunjia ũmwe nĩgetha ndĩkia aheirwo story ya Naivasha kũndũ ahunjagia
muthuri murata wako no riu ndari ho muthuri wari na atumia atatu na ciana 16 magitonya mugunda kwa muthungu ucio akimera umuthi ndirari hana na mbeca cash ndirari hana na wira uria mundu ekuruta. Sorry, not that way, let me put it the right way. Mari hagwo na makonia ma mbembe maria mundu ekugetha agatariro 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 akariho na makonia maria agethire. Kamuthuri kau gagita atumia ko mucamanio na ciana kimwira wira muingi uraka karimu tugutai nyeki mwikire ikonia nuthu nyeki mbembe ciurire haha iguru muthungu okatara turiho na makonia riu matugutire nyeki makikiraga makonia makaiyuriana mbembe haha iguru muthungu okahwaini mwene cambari akiuga na mwagetha muno muthi beyond my ability to pay in cash nderenda kumuriha mundu akue kiria mbembe iria getha ituike mushara wake muthei no kia nyeki na ciana tondu erete ni muthungu aratei ona wera-ini wa Ngai kuri makainukia nyeki to moe ni andu mateithagia kuri makainuka toho to moe ni andu magunaga kuri makainukia toho ni undu wa oiru na ruthuro ruria rutuire ngoro-ini ciao ni undu wa oiru na kumena iheo ingi na kunyarara iheo iria ingi aikorwo ndungirera kiheo kingi ona giaku gitikarerwo ona giaku gitigatuika undu Ngai oro murathima. I want to bless you all and I want to thank God because of Esther.